becomes 3, and then you have more this side. Then you have 4 on the other side. That'll be your minor triad. Now to answer your question, how? Literally the same thing there. So if you are confused and you see, what is GBD there? You go to your piano and you do the same thing. If you see the distance is 4 and it's 3, must be a major. If you're confused now knowing the tonality of your triads, you can use this. Okay. Now there's this other one here. It's very strange. Your leading tone. Okay. Your leading tone is called a diminished chord. Have you done diminished chords before? Diminished chord is when you have, so this is what BD. Let's continue this. 3, 1, 2. Let's say you're starting from B. I'm starting from B here. B, D, F. Here's my D. Here's my F. Now, what is the distance between both sides? Semitones now. So from B to D, what's the distance? So from B, so B is here to D. How many semitones are in between? 3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, and from D to F?
4.
Make sure you count. From here to here.
1, 2.
So from here, 1, 2, 3. You don't count from the one you're on. You don't say 1, 2. You count the step, interval, the distance. There's no distance if you start here. You can't say 1. It's 0 here. Then it's, see? Yeah. Okay, so 3. That's very strange. We used to 4 and 3 and then swapping it 3 and 4 for major and minor. Now all of a sudden there's 3, 3. That's what constitutes diminished triad then. When there's 2 minor thirds. Between this and this is a minor third. This and this also another minor third. When you have 2 minor thirds, it's a diminished chord. Okay, hope you're making notes of this. Diminished chords. Now guess what? If you have 4 and 4, in terms of distance, it becomes augmented. Augmented. Example of an augmented. Let's say you have F, A, and C sharp. I already know from here to here, it's 4. And from here to there, it's 4. 4 and 4 augmented. Minor, major, diminished, augmented. Those are the your only existing types of chords that you'll have in triads that you're going to work with. Questions? No one's confused? All good. Okay, moving on. Now, what you are used to in terms of harmony, you're probably used to this, this, and this. 1, 4, 5. Those are called your what type of chords? Yes. These are called the primary chords. And the rest are?
Secondary.
Yes. These are called your secondary chords. Why? Thoughts? Ideas? You can take a guess if you. Why are these called primary? Why are they so primary? What's so special about them? The reason why is because these are stable. And they happen to be major chords as well. That's why they're referred to as your primary chords, if you're wondering. Then the others, secondary chord, are unstable chords. They always want to lead to the next one. That's why it's very important to know this as well. Because when we go to harmony now and progressions, you'll see that, okay, I can use primary chords here, but secondary chords, I can only use them in a certain way. You can't just use these chords however you want. There's a specific way that you need to use them because of their instability. There's another word that they have, active tones. Because they want to move, they want to do something. These are stable, they're chilling. You can resolve on them. You can end a song on 1. You can end a song on 4. You can end a song on 5. Okay. Okay. Moving on. Let's see what else is here. Okay, nothing else. Okay, no questions. Okay. Now, to write